Hello, how are you? Welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And with this tutorial, I want to show you how to make this little flower. It's very small. You can use this flower for many projects of amigurumis or accessories, whatever. So I will use 1mm yarn. I prefer these colors, but you can use the color that you want. For this yarn, I will use 2.0mm hook, but you can use the size that you prefer. The higher the hook number, the larger the flowers. So also we need a wool needle, and scissors. This is all the materials that we need to make these flowers. So if you are ready and you want to do it, let's start. For show you, I will use pink colored yarn. Remember, I will use 2.0mm hook, but you can change the size if you want it. So we will start with a slip knot and then 12 chains. Leave a long yarn in the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We will start in the second chain with 1/2 double crochet, 1 and 2 here in the second chain, the first half double crochet, and in the next point 1 slip stitch. Now we will make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, and in the same base 1/2 double crochet. In the next point 1 slip stitch, and we will continue repeating the same 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, 1/2 double crochet in the same base, and 1 slip stitch in the next point. And we will continue repeating the same. We need 9 repetitions in total, so you can see how I do it. will make the last slip stitch in the last chain that we have. So we are already finished. This is the result. 1, this is the first repetition, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now you can cut the yarn, leaving a long yarn for sewing. And using a wool needle, you can see how I sewed this flower. So I'm already finished the flowers. Remember that you can use these flowers in many projects or amigurumis or accessories. This time I made this elephant. Is the next video in our channel, and you can see the flowers in the head. So I hope you like this tutorial, and if it's like that, please don't forget to give me your like and your comment. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't yet part of this wonderful community, I invite you to subscribe and activate the bell, and you receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. Until next time, bye bye.